Hi, Penny here. We previously discussed the three things we need to proceed on our digital art journey. We need to install the digital art software and we also need to get our hands on hardware. Today, we are going to reveal the only things you need in terms of hardware. As much as possible, you shouldn't spend so much on these, especially if you're still starting out. But don't worry, this video should be a good starting point for you. Let's get right into it. When we say hardware, we are referring to two things. These are the graphic tablet or stylus, and the equipment you are using to create digital art. This is your computer, laptop, or your iPad, all that good stuff. Most beginner artists usually feel overwhelmed as to which pen tablet or stylus to get. While these are great investments for your art career, they do come with different price points. Some are affordable, and some are just extremely expensive. I'm talking 5 digits or even 6! There are 3 types of graphic tablets. The first one is a digital tablet or digitizer. Wacom calls them pen tablets, so we'll stick to that. These tablets are simple and perfect for beginners. You only need to plug it into your computer, set up its installer, and you're done. The challenge in using a pen tablet is hand-eye coordination. You have to get used to drawing on the tablet while monitoring your screen. Yes, it is challenging, but learning how to get accustomed to pen tablets is a must-know for digital artists. So if you're a beginner who is just testing the waters and wouldn't like to spend a lot on a device, this is the one to get. Pen tablets come in different sizes depending on your preference. I personally like wider pen tablets for more working space. But if you'd like something compact and lightweight, the smaller ones will do just as well. The second type of graphic tablet is the screen tablet. This can refer to iPads or tablets wherein you can directly draw on the screen. These are extremely versatile and you can download all sorts of free and paid apps when using these. The only drawback is the price point. iPads and tablets are expensive, but you can use them for things other than digital art. And if you're not planning on getting a laptop or a desktop PC, this is the closest thing you can get to an all-in-one workspace. The third type of graphic tablet is the display or monitor tablet. If you're following professional artists, you know exactly which ones I'm talking about. I'm referring to those large screens that take up a whole table. Display or monitor tablets are used by professionals. Like the screen tablet, you can directly draw on these as you would with pen and paper. If you're still starting out, I don't recommend purchasing this just yet. You'll work your way up to monitor tablets soon. So, these are the 3 types of graphic tablets to choose from when starting with digital art. If you're thinking, oh, which one should I get? Again, for beginners, the good old digital tablet or Wacom's pen tablet is the best option. These are inexpensive and it's going to teach you hand-eye coordination faster than going straight to fancy screen and monitor tablets. Here's a tip I'd like you to remember. It's not a device that makes an artist good, it's the artists themselves. So, don't stress out about getting the best one or the cooler option. Go with what suits you and your budget better. But wait, can you still do digital art without a graphic tablet? Actually, you can! There are artists called finger artists and they make digital art with their fingers. Of course, it's twice as challenging and I think that graphic tablets are great investments for artists. But if for some reason you can't get one, don't let it stop you and create digital art with your fingers. Thank you for watching this video. You are a step closer to your goals. Make sure to stick around for the next video as I teach you how to install Wacom's driver. Newsflash, graphic tablets can't run without being installed. You definitely need to see the next video and I'd be so happy to meet you there. See you in the next episode and stay creative!